Homeowners in Conway are always looking for practical ways to make their homes more comfortable while keeping energy costs under control. One upgrade that delivers both immediate and long-term benefits is installing vinyl windows. Designed for performance, durability, and efficiency, vinyl windows have become a popular choice for homeowners who want to improve their home's insulation and reduce energy waste. If you're considering a window upgrade, understanding how vinyl windows improve energy efficiency can help you make a smart investment for your Conway home. Better insulation for year-round comfort. One of the biggest reasons homeowners choose vinyl windows is their excellent insulating properties. Unlike metal window frames, vinyl does not conduct heat easily. This means it helps keep warm air inside during colder months and prevents hot outdoor air from entering during warmer months. For homes in Conway, where seasonal temperatures can fluctuate, this improved insulation makes a noticeable difference. Your heating and cooling systems won't need to work as hard to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures. As a result, your home stays comfortable throughout the year while using less energy. Multi-chambered frame design. Modern vinyl windows are engineered with multi-chambered frames that trap air within the structure of the window. These chambers act as natural insulation barriers that slow down heat transfer between the inside and outside of your home. This design feature improves the overall thermal performance of the window. By reducing heat loss during winter and heat gain during summer, vinyl windows help stabilize indoor temperatures and improve energy efficiency throughout the home. Tight seals that reduce air leaks. Air leaks around windows are one of the most common causes of energy loss in homes. Drafty windows allow conditioned air to escape and outdoor air to enter, forcing your HVAC system to run longer to maintain the desired temperature. Vinyl windows are built with precision frames and tight-fitting seals that significantly reduce air infiltration. High-quality weather stripping and secure locking systems help ensure the windows close tightly, minimizing drafts and improving overall insulation. For Conway homeowners, this means fewer temperature fluctuations near windows and more consistent comfort throughout every room. Energy-efficient glass options. Vinyl windows often come paired with advanced glass technologies that further improve energy performance. Many modern vinyl window systems include double or triple pane glass, which adds extra layers of insulation between your home and the outdoors. These windows may also include low emissivity coatings that reflect heat while still allowing natural light to enter the home. During summer, low-E coatings help block excess heat from the sun. During winter, they reflect indoor heat back into the home instead of allowing it to escape through the glass. The combination of insulated glass and vinyl frames creates a powerful barrier against energy loss. Lower energy bills over time. Because vinyl windows help regulate indoor temperatures and reduce air leaks, your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard. This improved efficiency often leads to noticeable reductions in monthly energy bills. While the exact savings will vary depending on the size of the home and the condition of existing windows, many Conway homeowners experience long-term energy cost benefits after upgrading to vinyl windows. Over time, these savings can help offset the cost of the window replacement itself, making vinyl windows a smart financial investment. Durable and low maintenance performance. In addition to energy efficiency, vinyl windows offer excellent durability. Vinyl frames resist moisture, warping, and corrosion, which helps maintain a tight seal over time. Unlike wood windows that may expand or contract with changing weather conditions, vinyl windows maintain their shape and performance. This durability helps preserve their energy-efficient properties for many years while requiring very little maintenance. A smart upgrade for Conway homes. Improving your home's energy efficiency doesn't always require major renovations. Sometimes, replacing outdated or inefficient windows can make one of the biggest impacts. Vinyl windows offer strong insulation, tight seals, advanced glass options, and durable performance that all work together to reduce energy waste. For homeowners in Conway who want a more comfortable home and lower energy costs, vinyl windows are a practical and reliable upgrade that continues to deliver value year after year.